In this video, we are going to learn how to delete a blanks from your dataset. Okay, I took a very small dataset so that you can understand, and you just apply your range of your data and change that range from that code and with the file name as well. So just see, because whenever you use a small data set, that you can understand more simply way how it's working. If I took lots of messy data, so that will not easy to understand. So let's go to our developer tab for your macros. Or if, okay, there is another way, as I already told you, recording a macro. This is another best option when you have a repetitive task, when you have same kind of a data but with the different values, or you can see that you have a same type of format of your data, like every time you are getting same format and just the values are changeable. So you can perform using a record macro. Okay, something you are recording there, and stop that record, save that recording, and whenever you get that same task, you just go here macros. There are list of your all recorded macros. You can see list of macros you can work with. Okay, and then there is a shortcut of alt F8. Okay, alt plus F8. Okay, so the choose from there which macros you want to perform, and perform it within 1 second. All formatting, if you did the charts, if you did certain formatting for the deleting blanks, for the applying conditional formatting, so that all you can do with the recorded macros. But whenever you changing something, any condition, or then you are want to change some data from there, so you need to write a code for that and just save it for there, and just whenever you get that any new condition, you can just change with that values and the data. So in the visual basics, after you click on visual basics, this window will be open. Search your sheet. Okay, where is your sheet name is here. Okay, and then right click on that, insert a module. Right click on that, insert a module for write your code. So if this is module for writing your code, it's called like a code editor. Okay, the all modules are showing here, the down of the this project menu. Now, okay, I write this code, and you can see the sub delete blank row. This is the name of a row. Now define worksheet. Okay, which worksheet you are working. So I am defining, because of delete blank, this is my worksheet name. Okay, so define here which worksheet you are using. And for the comment, you can use it of only single quotes. Okay, you can see only single quotes. That means you are writing some comments there for your easy to understand, or to remembering what step you did. Okay, so now second step, delete the blank rows. So for that, last row dot cell, there is a from count A and end with the last row. So now there for the worksheet function, we are giving the trim. Okay, so because we are trimming from what is the WS is our worksheet. So WS dot cell I comma like up to 1. Now value, whenever you have like this means the blank, then rows that dot delete. Okay, so then end if, then next, then we can perform this again and again. Now end with the subject. You can copy this code and just change your name and the range of from here A where is your, and that's it. Whenever you get a blanks, you can see a blank rows. Okay, this is for a rows. Okay, now let's see how it's work. I'm going to select, or without select also it's work, but let's see. Yes, you can see all that, because from two rows were the blanks. Okay, so that's why that all 2 rows are deleted, because this is not deleted because here we have data from this range. Okay, so there is just some changes in a code if you want to delete this from book, because sometimes you have it here important data. Okay, and you don't want to delete it, so you can use this code. Just want to, you have a whole row is a blank, that time you can use this, because you can see now if you want to delete a blanks, that time that whole row will be deleted. Okay, whenever if you are using the from data, there is option if you want to delete the blanks. Okay, then here you can see you are created a new condition. Okay, you just want to delete the whichever you have the whole line. Okay, you can see whole row is a blank row, then you should delete. So that is why the condition is applied a new, you can see the new code is created as per your requirement. So this is all about how to delete your blanks from your data. You can see before was 8 rows, now it's about like 6 rows.